sales associate. Apparently, you failed to remove the inventory control chart from your purchase. This week. Present. I question the name of the list. The budget will be reflected.
What up, folk? Okay, this is your boy Ricardo. Okay, I'm back with another video for you guys. I have my sink over here. It's been leaking for quite some times. Today I decided to fix it. I decided to replace the faucet. Okay, put a brand new one in there and make it look right, make it look good. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, brand new again. So watch this video. Maybe you might learn something, or maybe you can give me some pointers on what I can do better on my next project. You understand what I'm saying? So before we do anything, please like this video, subscribe, so you always get my new videos every time I post them. Trust me, it will help you a lot. You don't have to pay no plumber to fix your sink. So let's get it. So right here, I'm going to show you where the faucet is leaking from. So if you have this problem, you will be able to just, like, you know, replace your faucet by yourself. You don't have to pay any plumber to fix it. All right, so right here, when I turn the water on, you can see the water is leaking right over here. You see, it's kind of dirty because it's been leaking so much. So yeah, so once I replace this, the faucet's kind of old anyways. Once I replace this, it's gonna look pretty again. So you can see right over here, it's leaking around over there. So we're gonna replace this thing right now. Let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna show you under there where it is so simple to just go under there and just unscrew the old faucet and take it out and put a whole brand new one in there. Pretty simple and easy. Watch this. All right, so now we're under there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the water off. Gotta turn the water off. Make sure you turn the water off before you unscrew those white hoses you got over here. Okay, turn the water off before you unscrew any other screws under the sink. Okay, let's do that. As you can see right here, I'm gonna show you that the water, it is off. See, hot water off, cold water off. So make sure you turn the water off before you do anything else, so the water is not, you know, spraying everywhere under there. Okay, you're gonna need one of these. This is an adjustable. Okay, just to unscrew the hoses under there, you're gonna need one of these things. It's pretty neat. Mine is not too long, it's nice and short. Okay, you're just gonna need one of these to release the tension on those hoses under there. Okay, remember that. Okay, right now I'm unscrewing the hole to release the tension. Okay, see, it's already coming off, and that don't take long to do. Okay, boom. All right, a little bit of water came down, but it was just a little bit of left in the faucet. All right, that's already off. Okay, all right, now you're gonna have that one other screw. It's like a plastic screw. That one is just like holding the faucet up there. Once you take that hose up, or take the hose that down, you just unscrew this, take it out. There it is, and then you do the other hose, the hot water hose. All right, that's that. And then continue. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you always get my videos when I post them. It will be very helpful in the house. And of course, I got my little one. Don't eat the tools though. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. You can't eat those. I got my little one over here. Okay, he's at my feet. He's learning already. Okay, so as we get older, I won't have to do this thing in the house. He'll be right there to do it for me. All right, my man? We good? Give it a thumbs up. You don't care. All right. Now we're just gonna easily take this off. Okay. I have something holding it there. Is that piece right there? It's not a big deal. I'm just gonna go back under there. You see what's holding it? It's just one little piece. I'm just gonna go under there and unscrew it, and then take it completely out. Let's do it. All right. So now we can take it completely out. It was pretty simple. What was holding it was this piece right here. It was in here like this, and it was tight, and it wouldn't come out. So I just go back under there, release this, take it out, and this came right free. All right. So let's continue. We're almost done. So now we have to clean this up. Okay. We'll just take this up, clean it up, take the old silicone or whatever that was in there before, clean it up real good. Okay, clean it real nice, spotless, before you put any new silicone on there or water sealant, whatever you may use. Okay, before you put new ones. Okay, there you have this, nice and clean. Okay, I get all the glue off of the old silicone off of it. So now I'm going to open the box, check the new faucet out, see what I need to do before I apply new silicone on there and install the new one. All right, let's do this right now. Here's the new faucet I'm going to put in here. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, here's the new faucet. It's pretty nice. I like it. I didn't pay a whole bunch of money for it. It was pretty decent. The price was decent, so I like it. All right. Here's the drain system it came with. Okay, but I won't have to mess with my drain system because I had already replaced it with the same exact one. Really. Okay. If you haven't seen this, the way I install it on my new video, one of my old videos, you will be able to see it. Okay, so it's a pop-up, it's a pop-in, pop-out drain system, and you can easily take it out. Okay, easily take it out to clean it and put it back in.
Take that out.
Here it is. You put it in there. It stops the water. The water flows. If the sink is clogged, take it out. Boom. You clean this out. You put it back in there. Simple and easy. So there you have it. So I have the plastic part right here. I have not put the silicone on it yet, or the water sealant on it yet. So I'm just showing you guys. So there it is right here. And then this is gonna go like this on it. Okay, just like that. So let's put the silicone thing on there, or the water sealant on there, and then put it back in place. Okay. And I'm gonna put the water sealant right in between this groove over here. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here and then put it down. There you have it. I just added the water sealant or silicone under there, and I just placed it in place so I can put the faucet right over it. And what I used was clear. It's a clear, crystal clear Power Grab Ultimate water sealant or adhesive that I use, okay, to put this together. See, it's almost done. Okay, almost done. Now I'm gonna go under there so I can put everything back in place. Okay, these two little plastic thing over here, I'm gonna screw them under there so we can hold it in place so it doesn't move. Yeah, put it in there, screw it. It's only hand tight. You don't have to use any tools for this. Just use your hand, your fingers. Tight, nice and good. Okay, nice and good. Okay, now we're going to screw the hoses back in place. All right, let's do it. Okay, we're going to use the adjustable wrench to finish screwing it up. Okay, all right, and voila, there you have it. Okay, everything is installed. Hot water, cold water, everything running. Okay, I stopped the water. Water is not leaking. Let the water flow. Okay, water is running. I'm gonna show you under there. There's no leak whatsoever. There you have it. The water is running, as you can see. No leaks. Okay, no leaks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, if this video was helpful, you learned something, and it helped you replace your faucet, please let me know in the comment section. Please let me know, and make sure you have your bell, your notification bell on, so next time I post, you'll get it right away, and you can get to replace your faucet without paying a plumber a whole bunch of money. Things are expensive these days. The more you know, the better it is for your pocket. Thank you very much for watching.